Hey, welcome back. Today we'll see how to crochet this daisy Scooty charm. So without any further ado, let's get started. For this we'll be needing all this material as mentioned here. Let's start by making a magic ring with this yellow color acrylic yarn. Now add 8 single crochets into this ring. As 8 single crochets are done, now we'll pull the thread and make a slip stitch here. Round 1 is done, moving on to round 2. For this we'll add 2 single crochets in each of these stitches, will result in 16 single crochets at the end of round 2. All 16 stitches are done. Now make a slip stitch here. So round 2 is completed. Moving on to round 3. For this we'll be making 1 single crochet in the first stitch and 2 single crochet in the next stitch. We'll repeat this pattern all around, and at the end of round 3 we'll be having 24 single crochet stitches. So 24 stitches are done. We'll be closing the round 3 with a slip stitch. So we have to make 2 of these and we'll join it by making the petals all around. So for making the petal, add 2 chain of white color acrylic yarn and then 1 double crochet in the same stitch. Now make 1 treble crochet in the next stitch, and again another treble crochet in the same stitch. Make 1 double crochet in the third stitch, make 2 chain and close this petal by making a slip stitch in the third one. So we will be making 8 petals. First one is done. Let's make 7 others. Before closing the last petal, we have to add some fiber inside. So now our daisy is done. Weave in all the ends. Let's start by making a leaf of this daisy Scooty charm. For this we have to make 9 chain. Now skip the first chain and make 1 single crochet in the second chain, then make 1 half double crochet in the third chain, then make 1 double crochet in the 4th, 5th, 6th and 7th chain. So now we are left with 2 chain. Make 1/2 double crochet here. And 2 single crochets in the last one. Now repeat the same pattern on the other side. The only change is that instead of making 1 single crochet at the end, we'll make 1 slip stitch here. So now our leaf is almost ready. We'll add a wire around this, make 1 chain and place the wire here. Now make 1 single crochet by attaching the wire inside. Now keep on repeating the same step. Make 1 single crochet with this wire all around the leaf. Let's start making a bud. For this we'll make a magic ring, then add 2 chain. Now add 6 double crochet into this ring. Pull the thread tight and close the ring with a slip stitch here. Now tie a knot and cut the thread. So our bird is ready. Now assemble all of these together. So now we'll wrap around this green color acrylic yarn. Attach the leaf as well that we have made earlier. While wrapping the thread around, just make sure that you are including the extra thread of the leaf and the wire as well here. So this step is also done. Just cut the thread and attach the bird that we have made and the daisy with a glue gun. This is the last step where we'll make the face of the daisy. We have to make a shape of 11 like this. So as we have used the acrylic yarn, burn all the friezes with this lighter. So tada, your daily Scooty charm is ready to use. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and comment down which tutorial we should make next. Bye bye.